Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to adjust ringtone volume on Nubia Flip. Firstly, press any volume button, then tap on this little arrow here, and to the maximally to the left you can adjust the ring volume, which is the ringtone volume, and if it's maximally to the bottom, it means this muted is going to be either vibrate or silent, and to the top it's the loudest. And that is going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe, and if you have any more questions, let us know in the comments.